Welcome back to the channel, your premier destination for resin 3D printing upgrades, workshop ventilation setups, miniature maker tech guides, and studio safety gear reviews. Today, we are putting an essential workshop upgrade under the spotlight, a dedicated vented enclosure engineered for resin printing enthusiasts, tabletop miniature painters, and studio makers who want to eliminate harsh resin fumes and maintain stable printing temperatures. The YOOPAI Multifunctional Resin 3D Printer Enclosure with Ventilation Filter. When working with SLA, LCD, or DLP resin printers, chemical vapors and volatile organic compounds can quickly overwhelm an unventilated indoor workspace. The YOOPAI enclosure solves this issue at the source by creating a fully sealed six-sided environmental tent around your printer. Inside the enclosure, an integrated air extraction system pairs an active exhaust fan with expandable flex ducting. This setup continuously pulls resin fumes out of the tent and routes them directly out a window or into a filtration unit. For added air scrubbing, the kit includes activated carbon filter sheets that actively absorb resin odors, keeping your workshop air clean and fresh during multi-hour print jobs. Thermal stability is another major advantage of this enclosure. Resin flows best at warm, stable ambient temperatures, but cold drafts in a garage or basement can cause delamination and print failures. The insulated multi-layer material traps ambient heat generated by the printer, maintaining a warm printing microclimate that improves resin fluidity and layer cross-linking consistency. Measuring 28 inches wide by 18 inches deep by 17 inches high, the generous footprint easily accommodates popular desktop resin printers, including the Anycubic Photon Mono series, ELEGOO Mars and Saturn machines, Creality Halot models, and similar-sized desktop units. Monitoring your print job is simple thanks to a high-transparency PVC viewing window on the front. You can check initial layer adhesion, support stability, and print progress without opening the zippers or allowing fumes to bleed into your living space. Furthermore, the dust-proof and splash-resistant fabric shields your printer's optical components and Z-axis lead screws from ambient debris. Combining active fume ventilation, carbon filtration, thermal insulation, and wide printer compatibility, the YOOPAI Resin 3D Printer Enclosure is a vital health and quality upgrade for any indoor resin printing setup. If you enjoy this YOOPAI Resin 3D Printer Enclosure breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. How are you venting resin fumes in your 3D printing workshop?